In today's video, I will walk you through how to request money on PayPal Desktop. We're starting directly from the PayPal Desktop homepage, and there are a couple of different ways to get to the request feature. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a Send and Request button, and at the top center of the page, there is also a Send and Request tab. For this tutorial, we're going to click on the Send and Request button on the right-hand side. Once you're on the next page, you'll see that there's a search bar, and below that, you may also see people you've recently interacted with for sending or receiving money. If the person you want to request money from is not already listed, you can search for them using their name, username, email, or mobile number. PayPal also allows you to request money from up to 20 people at the same time if needed. Go ahead and type the person's information into the search bar. As the results appear, you may notice that some accounts have a photo, while others may show a small business icon. You may also see separate sections for your contacts and for other people on PayPal. When the results appear, select the correct person from the list. After clicking on their account, you'll move to the next page. At this point, you may also see the option to add more people to the request, if you want to include additional contacts. If you're only requesting money from one person, click the Next button to continue. On the next screen, you'll be able to enter the amount you want to request. In this example, we're entering $1. Below the amount field, you can also enter a note or description for the request. After filling everything out, click Request Now. Once you do that, the request will be sent successfully, and the other person will receive a notification about the payment request. You'll also have the option to request more money from additional people if needed. And that's how to request money on PayPal Desktop. Thank you for watching.